I can almost taste it.
It looks blasta, just like the one in the recipe book. Thanks for teaching us how to make them properly, Pip. Now I can't wait to eat them.
Ah, Gramagoth.
Okay, so it's not as iska-piska as it looks, but we got there in the end.
Blasta! Pizza tastes better when you make it yourself.
My favorite pizza is still Pip's. His is super blasta because he's had loads of practice. Huh? And if we keep practicing, soon we'll be making pizzas without getting toppings in our hair.